Good evening, Ashish. Good evening, Steve. Good evening, Uddhav. Voice is audible. Every one of you got your scores of both the tests.
Yes.
Okay. So, Steve, you got polynomials score or not yet?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Got it, no?
Yeah,
This is the Excel sheet, so you can refer. Here your name is in this 15th number, 19 marks and this one, 39.58%, rank 15.
sir, today what we are going to do?
First exercise remaining questions. First exercise word programs. In our last session, we have seen two examples, and remaining three questions are there in first exercise. So we'll try to complete today.
Sir, would there be special classes in summer, sir?
Summer means when? June, July.
Yes, sir. May, June, July.
May, June, July. Manu sir will update because I'm not aware about it. Second thing for this week, no? For this week, you can say extra class will be on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. These 3 days. This is the list of this polynomial school chapter, test 18. So here also you can see your score. Steve, say 19. See the score. Fine. Now we'll see. Before starting, now we'll see how to write this proper. I've already this now. Yesterday was session of Manu for weak students or for those students who didn't give this one last exam. So exam is very important, weekly test. Second thing, again and again, every time we repeat same thing, that in topper you can upload your PDF. There also option there, upload your PDF, or one for particular question there we have option. So we can say upload your photo or pic of the solution in topper. That is one option. And then second option is, because that is very important, so then only you will get your this marks for those questions. Second thing, first one is in topper directly you can upload answer, photo or pic. Second thing in Google Classroom also you can upload. That will be second option, and no other option we have. And also one more important thing, in comment section, in box, then comment box, very compulsory you have to write. In comment box you have to write that particular answer or anything we write. Just writing is important. Uploaded, simply uploaded will also find. So right now we can give you marks. Uploaded or answer you got, or attached also you can write. Very important. That's why now I have to share once again this updated this sheet, because Xavier shared me this PDF format directly on my WhatsApp. That is not this right way. So this today only I could check his answer sheet. So we got maximum marks. Same thing we have to follow for MCQ questions now. Directly you all will get the score after submitting the test. But in MCQ type test also very important to properly prepare first. Prepare first. No need to give in a hurry. Prepare first nicely. And then we have extended time also 9 AM to 9 PM. Once we have this now ready with the exam, then only you have to give exam. And exam will be almost 1 hour to 1.5 hour. Last time it was, I think, 1 hour. For objective question, objective test or MCQ type test, timing will be 1 hour. That is, we can say, we can fix. And for both objective plus subjective. Time can be 1.5 hour. So maximum time we can give 8 to 9, also we can give 7 to 8, 6 to 7, 5 to 6, 5 to 8, 6 to any time, but make sure you prepare it nicely before giving the test, because every test is important and score is important. That shows how what is the level of your preparation. Suppose in every test you score, for example, let us suppose one student is there who scores in every test 100%. Let us take one example. In every test means in every weekly test. Suppose he scores 100% full out of full. So his chances will be maximum that he in boards also or in school examination anywhere he will score good marks. That's when we have to take this exam very seriously. Try to score maximum marks. Any doubt regarding to how we have to give test or paper checking method or any question?
No, sir.
No. Very important to follow these things. Because now you give time, effort, energy, and then you don't upload in the right way, or don't this no share write the paper in right way. That's why this no it this no marks are going to came, or we can say it affects overall score. Fine. Now we'll see. Next we can say exercise will come, because in your this last session you can see here we have seen first two questions. First was Aquila case, and then second here we had one solution, because from algebraically also we have solved, means with the help of algebra, means algebraic equation in terms of x and y. Then graphically also we have solved. So this line with two lines will get from two equations, and one at this will cut meet at one point. So that will be only solution point, because both this point lies on both the lines. That's why common point or solution point or values of x and y. Then we have seen second example also. In this we were getting coinciding lines. Both the lines are coinciding. So we have seen, so make all the points are lying on the same line. All the points lying on the same, both all the points will lie on the both the lines. So all the points will be common points. So many solutions we can say, was all these common points are solution points, because when it was cutting at one point, so this one point is common to both the lines. So this was solution point. Here all the points are common to both the lines. That's why many points are there, many solutions, or infinite many solutions. Correct. So, and we have seen the values also. All these values will be solution for that particular this question. Correct. Those all, because it line both the lines. Now we'll see exercise question first one in today's session. So here is the question, and I will give you 5 minutes to try, because the most more is to try yourself. Then we'll discuss. Let me explain. After is one boy tells his daughter, okay, actually his father. Fine. After tells his daughter, 7 years ago, means before 7 years, I was seven times as old as you were then. Okay, when 7 years back, no, daughter age will also 7 years less. So he's saying 7 years ago, I was seven times as old as you were then. He's saying to his daughter, to his daughter. Also, there 3 years from now, means from present moment, 3 years now from now means plus three, means 3 years after, I shall be three times, okay, three times as old as you will be, means as compared to daughter says, he will be three times. Isn't this interesting? Okay, good. Represent this solution algebraically and graphically, means with the help of algebra, means with the help of xy equation, and graphically also we have to find, and from my side add this point and solve it. Solve it means to find the x and y values. X and y means age of Aftab and his daughter. Everyone will try. 5 minutes for this question. Try and let me know the answers. Anyone got the answer? At least this now tell me you got the equation or not. Algebraic equation for this problem statement.
No, sir.
No. No one from this batch. Uddhav, Tushar, Steve, Pratusha, Pratibha, Manshu, Diksha, Ashish, Anudeep, Adityan. Last 2 minutes, try and then we'll discuss. Normally we have to, as per the statement given, because that's why we are doing more word problem questions, because in this only the students find difficulty. And these are very basics, because later on we have 2-3 exercises based on these word problems in quadratic equation also. So it's very important. See, so in this question, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. See, nothing we have to, basically, just we have to focus on the given statement. And one more thing, always now in these type of questions related to age, we have to assume this one present as x and y. Let the daughter age be x years, present age, and Aftab age y. Why we have taken x and y? We can take this also daughter y and Aftab x, not an issue. But logically, if you think no, in English alphabet, x comes first, then y comes. In English alphabet, x comes first, then y. So we can say x is fine. X daughter and y will be Aftab x. So answer. Let the present age of Aftab's daughter. Let the present, the value which is required, we will assume x and y first. Let the present age of Aftab be y years. Y we can write y in bracket y years, and his daughter be x in apostrophe years. First we write this second. Present age of Aftab, every time for age related question or to assume x and y. Present ages of Aftab is y and x we have taken daughter. We can write first for daughter also x and then Aftab y. Now we write ATQ according to question. See. So in this question they have given 6-7 years ago, means 7 years before. So as per our this now assumed values, x is the present age, means currently present age of his daughter, and y is the present age of Aftab. So what will be their ages 7 years ago? So we can say 7 years. We'll go step by step. 7 years ago. 7 years ago, we can say Aftab age is equal to Aftab age equal to presently his y. So y minus 7. Suppose presently is 40. So 33. How 33? 40 minus 7, 33. Similarly y, then y minus 7 years. And here also we can write 7 years ago Aftab daughter age equal to, we have taken as x minus 7 years. This is important because always in case of the age related questions we will assume x and y values, present ages. So present age of daughter is x and present age of his father is y, Aftab. So 7 years ago daughter's age will be x minus 7 and Aftab age will be y minus 7. Now coming to the statement, what he is saying? Okay, Ashish, good. 13 and 45, 42. 13 and 45, you can, good thing about these type of questions, you can verify also. So 13 and 45 are the present ages. Solve it means, obviously, present age only we will find. So, see, you can see 7 years ago. 7 years ago, daughter age will be 13 minus this now 7, that is 6, and this will be 30. This is 45 minus 7, 38. Okay, we'll see what is the answer. 7 years ago, Aftab age will be y minus 7 years, and 7 years ago, Aftab's daughter age will be x minus 7 years. See, Aftab is saying I was 7 times means Aftab will be, this is Aftab, it will be 7 times as old as this now you means his daughter. So we can say y minus 7. See, this is Aftab age will be 7 times. This will be 7 times. So this will be 7 times. X minus 7 first will write. Y minus 7 one side and x minus 7 one side. 7 years before age of his daughter will be x minus 7. Aftab age will be y minus 7. And see, he's saying I was 7 times more as old as you were. So we'll multiply 7 here, or here we'll multiply 7. First one is correct or second one? Which one is correct? There will not be values. Which one is correct, first or second? So, anyone of you, can you please tell me which one is correct? If the all of you have to answer, you can use chat also and directly you can speak. Which one is correct, top one or bottom one?
Sir, is it the first one?
First one correct. First one is the answer of Pratibha, right? Or Pratusha. Who said this answer? Pratibha, right? No? You said no right now. So this is your answer.
Second one.
Second one. Second one, Pratibha, you are saying, okay. And who said first one? Pratusha. Only two girls are there in currently. Adhyanandit, okay. Fine. So second one is, you are saying second one, okay. Second one is also answer of Steve, Ashish, Pratibha. So no problem. So answer will be second one only. Why? Suppose now we have this now, we have younger sister. Always now visualize with daily life. You have younger sister. Suppose name is any Rani, any name you can have Rani, and she is 5 years less than your age. So your age is, suppose you is we can say X. X is you, and Rani is your younger sister. She is 5 years less than your age. If we equate your age with Rani's age, this is equal to means both are equal. So this is correct, or this is correct. Minus or plus, which will we use? Minus or plus? Plus, no. Because Rani is smaller, no? Smaller, less, and we are equating means both are equal. When this will be equal, it's already more. It's more means higher value. So we'll add in lesser quantity to make both of them equal. So we'll add in on lesser side. This will be wrong, and we'll add on lesser side to make it equal to bigger value. This is the basic understanding. Similarly, Aftab is saying that he will be 7 times. 7 times means 7 times. Will be 7 times more. You can say as old as you were. Means he is talking to his daughter. So Aftab is this year. This is y minus 7. He is 7 times more. So we'll multiply with lesser value. This is the lesser value. Use the sign more, less for your understanding. Very important. More arrow up, less arrow down. So we'll multiply in arrow downward side to make it this equal. Equal we are writing means both are equal. Equal means both are same. When you multiply, then it will be same because Aftab is more, having higher value than this is daughter age. So if you multiply daughter age with 7, then both will be equal. This will be wrong. So try to understand. This is the first equation, you can see, equation 1. Second thing, now he's saying also 3 years from now, means after 3 years, from present is 3 after 3 years, okay. I shall be 3 times as old as you were, okay. This 3 times, after will be 3 times the age of his daughter. So, same process will follow. So, write 3 we can say years after, 3 years after, 3 years after Aftab age, 3 years after Aftab age will be equal to y is present age. Y is present age. Y is the, you can say, current age value, and y plus 3 years. 3 years after means 3 years after now. At presently, you can add 3 years. You can say Aftab daughter is age will be equal to how much? X plus 3 years. X plus 3 years. Now we can on the equation. Now we can write the equation. So he's saying after 3 years, after will be means I will be 3 times. 3 times means again 3 times is higher value. 3 times old as you will be. Okay. So means basically this is after base y plus 3, and here we have will equate, we write just first x plus 3. So after we saying 3, he is 3 times, he will be 3 times, he will be 3 times. So we'll multiply because he will be 3 times means he is more. having higher more age. His daughter is less. So multiply 3 in lesser size to make both of them equal. So these are basically two equations, and we have represented algebraically. This is algebraic representation. Now, this is algebraic representation. We can write algebraic solution also here. Algebraic solution, because we are solving properly. Algebraic solution. Now, we will see how we can solve these equations. So any one method you can use, any one method. Suppose see, first equation was, let me write 1 second, y minus 7 equal to is the, this question will do separately. Y minus 7 equal to 7x minus 49. Okay, so we'll simplify this 7 will go right hand side. So y equal to 7x minus 49. Minus 7 will come in right hand side to, it will become plus. So 7x minus 42. 7x minus 42. 7x minus 42. This is, we can say, third equation, third one. And similarly, y plus 3 was equal to 3x plus 9, because 3 will multiply with both the values x and 3. So we'll get this 3 will go in right hand side. 3x plus 9 minus 3. So this will be, here also we can write, this imply y equal to, similarly y equal to 3x plus 6. 3x plus 6. This is fourth equation. Now from 3 and 4, you can easily find the value of x and y. Why? Because left hand side is same, y, here also y. So we can write hence from equation 3 and equation 4, we get, both are left hand side are equal. So we can equate both the terms. 7x minus 42 equal to 3x plus 6. 3x plus 6. From this equation, we'll get x value. So this 3x will go in left hand side. 7x minus 3x, 4x. This number will go in right side. Number one side and x value in one side. So 7x minus 3x, 4x equal to 42 plus 6, 48. 48. So this x will be equal to 48 by 4, that is cut equal to 12. Hence, you can say x equal to 12 is the one value. And after, once you got x value, you can easily find y value by putting x value in any one of the equation. I will choose easier one. Easier one is fourth one. So we can take any one, both will have same value. So I'll take easier one, y equal to 3x plus 6. So 3 into x, 12 plus 6. So 3 12s are 36, or 12 3s are 36 plus 6. Correct, 42. Hence we get y value 42. Correct. So x value was 12 and y value is 42. We can cross verify also. We can check these values. So what was the in the statement? 7 years before. 7 years before. So 7 years before, what will be x was the age of after daughter. So after, before the 7 years, this is present ages. 7 years before, age will be 12 minus 7, 5, and 7 years before, age of after will be 42 minus 7, 35. So this is 7 times. 7 years before, 7 times. 5 7s are 35. So basically, that's why we have multiplied 7 with daughter's age. That is x value. Now, one more case was where that after this now 3 years. So 12 after 3 years, this age will be 15. 12 plus 3, 15. And after 3 years, this will be 45. So 15 3s are 45. 15 3s are 45. Correct. So 3 times. These values are correct. And then we can write any statement like this. Hence, concluding statement is also important. Present age of half marks is therefore writing this concluding statement. Present age of Aftab equal to 42 years and present age of his daughter equal to 12 years. Present age of his daughter is equal to 12 years. So note the solution. In case if any doubt, then please ask. So this is, we can say, the answer, and we can cross check and verify by using those conditions. 7 years before 12 and 42 is the present age. So 7 years before 5 years is say 42 minus 7, 35. 5 7 35, correct. 7 years before 7 times, and then 3 years after. So 12 plus 3 15, and this one 42 plus 3 45. So 15 3 are 45. So 3 years after 3 times. Any doubt? Any question? Note the solution, then we'll see graphical solution of this question. Also, this is the most of you, means not all of you, but many of you have in subjective question in polynomials. Many of you have just wrote this answer number, answer value in subjective question. The answer is not actually a proper method is required. See now, in PDF you have to attach. There it's fine, but now some of you have just this now write those answers value in proper comment box, we can say. So I have given this half marks for all those students, only half out of 3 marks. So PDF is required. If you have answered in PDF now, then it's fine. Otherwise, just writing the answer there in proper, that is not the, we can say, right approach. In backup, we should have PDF also in Google Classroom, or in Topper or itself you can attach this answer solution. There we have option. Then only we can give marks. Best one is to write attached PDF, and you have to attach also in Google Classroom. That will be best one, so that we can give you marks. Because 3 marks, how we can give just for writing the values. See, now we will see graphical method of OkayShift Google Classroom PDF. So I have checked. Answer should also be correct. Right. Now we'll see. It's this graphical solution of this question. So for graphical solution, once again, we will use the equations which we have already obtained. These are the equations: y equal to 7x minus 42 and y equal to 3x plus 6. Y equal to 7x minus 42 and y equal to 3x plus 6. These are two, we can say, equations. Two algebraic equations. Based from these equations, we will draw the graph. So here, first one was algebraic solution. Now we'll write graphical solution. Graphical solution. First one was algebraic solution. An important thing to write. Many of you have now in polynomial also I have seen many of you have wrongly used that formula which we have discussed in class many times. What was the equation for is the writing a quadratic equation when sum of roots and product of roots are given. So this is the formula. Formula is important. First we have to write the formula, then only you can put the values. X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Fine. So I am writing one more, x square plus alpha plus beta x and then minus alpha beta equal to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta x minus alpha beta equal to 0. X square plus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Which one is correct? Everyone will share his answer in chat. Option A, you can say. If sum of roots alpha plus beta, sum of roots, or we can say sum of zeros and product of zeros are given, then which formula we can use? Which one is right? Chapter is over, that doesn't mean that we forget or we don't remember. First one, okay. Option D. Pratusha is saying option D. Anudip, option 1. Option 1, Pratibha also. Steve, option 1. Okay. Ashish, option 1. Steve. What about us? Uddhav, what is your answer? You are there in this session. No? So why you are not responding? Diksha, option 1. Everyone has to answer. Himanshu, where are you? Please write your answer. Himanshu, Uddhav.
Yes, I do.
I have not received any answer from you. Which one will be the option? A, B, C, D. What is option A, Diksha? See, many students have written an option A. What is option 1? Similar thing was there in your test also, I think. Option, suppose value is given. Value is given, option 1 A is 1. Option B is -1. Option C is 2. Option D is -2. So what should we write? We should write option 1 or option A. Which one is correct? Option A. No? What is option 1? You have to select ABCD. So option A is right. Then only we can expect marks. Normally we do correctly, but proper writing is also important, proper answering. So in this question, these are